Hi there, just two quick tutorials for Macintosh users. On my desktop I have a PDF file here, and when I double click on this PDF file from the desktop, it's going to open up not in Acrobat Reader or Pro, but it's going to open up in Preview. That's because the operating system is trying to do me a favor. It doesn't know I have Acrobat Reader or Acrobat Pro, so it says it will take the initiative and open it up in something that can, which is Preview. And that's the way the operating system works by default. Now what I want is not that to happen, but I want it to open up in Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. So by clicking on the icon of the PDF, I'm going to go over to File, and I'm going to click on File, and I'm going to come down to Get Info. This is going to open up the Get Info dialog, and down below here it says Open With. And by default it's going to be the Preview app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick Acrobat Pro from the list. I'm going to click Change All because I want all PDFs to open up with this Acrobat Pro or Acrobat Reader. So I'm going to click Continue. Now remember, you can do this with anything like a JPEG or a GIF file or anything like this that doesn't open up in the appropriate program you want it to. You can click on it from the desktop, get info, and change the Open With command. Now if I double click on this, it should open up in Acrobat Reader, which it does. Another quick tip is in earlier versions of the operating system in the last millennium, we had a little utility called keycaps that would show us alternate keystrokes to get different characters like copyright and tilde marks and we'll say acute accent marks. It would show us how we could type from our keyboard and do that. Well, that's long gone, but I'm going to show you how to find it again. I'm going to have you go to the Apple menu, come down to System Preferences, come over to Keyboard. Right here, turn on this check mark here called Show Keyboard and Character Viewers in Menu Bar. Quit out of this, and up on my menu bar is a little icon where I can pull up what I used to call keycaps, and here's something called Keyboard Viewer. So here in Keyboard Viewer, what I can do, it shows me here if I wanted to practice and I want maybe an acute accent mark. If I hold down the Option key, it shows me, oh, here's an acute accent mark. So if I go Option E while I'm in a program, it will give me that symbol. Or if I go Shift, here's the uppercase, here's Shift Option, shows me a bunch of other symbols. Here's Control and Shift, Command and Shift, so you can actually come in here and see what alternate characters just from the basic keyboard you can do. So there's a little throwback to the prior millennium and something used to be called keycaps, and that was found just by going to System Preferences and Keyboard and turning it on. I hope you can use those two tips if you're a new Mac user, and have a great day.